better बच्चों, so let's read this question. Acetal formation is a reversible reaction. So हमारे को जो हमारा aldehyde है, it is reacting with alcohol in the presence of H plus ion and it is giving an intermediate. Then it is reacting with alcohol and H plus ion again. Then it is giving the final product as the acetal and H2O. So under what conditions the reaction can be forced to proceed only in right or we can say forward direction? A. Using excess of alcohol. B. Using high temperature. C. Using dilute acid and excess of alcohol. और D. Using dry acid and excess of alcohol. तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पता होना चाहिए the mechanism in which addition of alcohol takes place in an aldehyde. So key concept of the question will be addition of alcohol to aldehydes. Addition of alcohol in aldehydes. Now if we talk about pehla aldehyde reacts with one molecule, one equivalent of monohydric alcohol in the presence of dry hydrogen chloride, dry HCl, to yield alkoxy alcohol intermediate. तो इस alkoxy alcohol intermediate को हम कहते हैं hemiacetal. So this hemiacetal हमारा further react करता है which further reacts with one more equivalent of alcohol. Further react with one more equivalent of alcohol to give a gem dialkoxy compound. और ये gem dialkoxy compound को हम कहते हैं acetal. To give acetal. हम यहाँ पे कीटोन की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं because ketone has not been given to us in the question. Only our aldehyde is given to us in the question. Now let us look into the generalized reaction. अगर हम रिएक्शन के मैकेनिज्म की बात करें तो ये हमारा RCHO है. It is reacting with, and also this is a reversible reaction. This is reacting with one equivalent of alcohol in the presence of dry HCl gas to give an intermediate which is known as the alkoxy alcohol, जिसका स्ट्रक्चर कुछ ऐसा होगा RCH OR dash OH. This is our hemiacetal. Then this hemiacetal is again reacting with R dash OH and H plus ion to give RCH OR dash and OR dash. तो इससे हमारा क्या बन रहा है? ये बन रहा है हमारा acetal. Now let us also write the names of the compound. अगर हम नामवेद की बात करें, this is our aldehyde which is forming the hemiacetal. Hemiacetal is alkoxy alcohol. Let us write hemiacetal. जो कि फॉर्म कर रहा है जेम डाइएल्कोक्सी compound which is the acetal. So this is the mechanism, or we can say step by step reaction of acetal aldehyde reacting with alcohol to give acetal. तो अगर हम बात करें, दिस इज अ रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन, बीइंग reversible reaction, the backward direction of the backward reaction, that is acetyl hemiacetal step. जो हमारा एसिटिल से हेमिएसिटिल वाला स्टेप था, it can be restricted by minimizing water content. So steps can be restricted by minimizing water content. Water content, that is by using dry HCl. हम वाटर कंटेंट को कैसे यूज कर मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं? ड्राई HCl की मदद से. So the step hemiacetal aldehyde, we are talking about step 1 over here. So this can be restricted by using excess of alcohol. जो हमारा एसिटिल हेमिएसिटिल वाला स्टेप है, उसको हम वाटर कंटेंट को मिनिमाइज करके रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकते हैं, और जो हमारा हेमिएसिटिल एल्डिहाइड वाला स्टेप है, उसको हम रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकते हैं बाय एडिंग एक्सेस ऑफ अल्कोहल. Let us write this line also. By using excess of alcohol. तो अगर हम देखें ऑप्शंस में हमें ये कौन सा मैच करता है, तो यूजिंग एक्सेस ऑफ अल्कोहल. तो अगर हम यूजिंग एक्सेस ऑफ अल्कोहल, वी कैन ओनली चेंज स्टेप नंबर 1, which is this one, this aldehyde and hemiacetal step can only be restricted, and not the hemiacetal and acetyl wala step cannot be restricted. Now if we use high temperature, no, using high temperature is not the option. Using dilute acid and excess of alcohol, no, this is also not the correct option. If we talk about using dry acid, yes, dry acid को हम use करके water को minimize करके we can restrict the hemiacetal and acetyl step. So and excess of alcohol can be used in the first step, which is the aldehyde and hemiacetal step. Now our option number D will be the right answer. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.